It's not coming.
Snort.
It kind of made me choke in the back.
I can snort.
We should invite our guests before. We should invite our guests out because people are really getting anxious to see her. So everyone, please welcome Charlotte Taggernay. Come on now, Charlotte.
Come on, Charlotte.
Yeah.
She's backstage. Hi.
Yeah. So Charlotte, why don't you burp for us really quick? One more time. ABCs, please.
Hey.
Let's burp together.
I can't.
It's okay.
I'll just stand by you. I'll burp too. Okay, burp the ABCs.
I already burped.
The ABCs.
Okay, that's enough.
Yay! Woo! So, that was pretty impressive,
That
right,
was
Caroline?
really wonderful.
That was amazing.
Sorry, our cameraman is taking a day off.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's kind of complicated.
It's kind of complicated.
But yeah,
It was pretty amazing.
it was a good burping show.
Maybe we'll have
Yeah, perfect. Thanks, cameraman.
Yeah, thanks.
For coming back from strike.
Yay!
Power to the people.
Maybe we'll have our next show might be a sorting contest.
I don't really know yet. I was hoping we'd do our dance video.
Yeah, but we're waiting for our dancers to come.
Yeah,
on.
our choreographer, she's on strike too.
Yeah, I mean everybody's.
Why?
I don't understand. I really don't understand.
It's getting pretty difficult
Yeah, it is.
to manage here.
I know.
So yeah. So we'll see you next time, which is probably gonna be maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll just have to play it by ear.
And you stay tuned and keep watching us
Yeah.
because we will fuck you up if you don't. So see you.
Bye.